dropping pins. You hear people say, well, drop a pin. We hear that a lot when our ship is in different ports. They say, well, drop a pin in the port so that when you're out and about and you want to take a taxi back, you can show them where the ship is. And I want to show you how that's done. I'm talking about Google Maps. Actually, you can do it in Apple Maps as well. So I open up Google Maps and go to where I am. Right now, it's by tapping on this blue dot. It takes me right into where we are. Solomon Island Port Authority. And the way you drop a pin, so I'll even zoom in. Now we're on the ship out in the water a few feet. So I want to drop a pin where somebody would need to drive us. It can be just anywhere here. You just touch and hold and a red marker appears. That is dropping a pin. However, that's just a temporary pin. You know, you're not done yet. As soon as you go anywhere else, you know, that pin will go away. So you need to drop the pin and then save it. So touch and hold, there's a pin. Then down at the bottom here, there is save. And in Google Maps, it needs to get saved to a list of pins, a list of locations. And my default one is this Odyssey Port POIs. POI stands for Points of Interest. It's just a catch-all term. Anything I want to mark can be done there. And you can add a note. I can say this is, the name of this port is Honiara Port. And done. So now, if I'm out and about, I can open up Google Maps and I will see, in this case, I have a little flower for my POIs. So that is dropping a pin and saving it to a list in Google Maps.